In this video, we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 smartphone and show you what's inside the box. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes in a slim premium-looking black cardboard box. You can immediately determine the color of the device inside by the color on the front of the box. This is one of the two security stickers on the box. The second security sticker is on the other end of the box. Please make sure that both security stickers are intact when you receive the unit. This label at the bottom gives you the CIMB numbers as well as its serial number. Now, let's tear the security stickers and see what we find inside. On opening the box, you will find the Galaxy Z Flip 6 smartphone sitting in a tray. But don't chuck away the top cover yet. There is a cardboard box embedded in the top cover. Inside, you will find all of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 bundled accessories. First is a stainless steel CIMB tray ejection pin. Next, you will find a set of documents, specifically the Quick Start Guide in 2 languages and a warranty card. As you can see from the Quick Start Guide, the package is very sparse. Finally, the package includes a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which can be used for charging as well as data transfers. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 may support 25-watt fast charging, but it does not come with the 25-watt fast charger. The provided USB cable can support up to 3 amps of current, so all you need to buy is the optional 25-watt fast charger. Both the foldable display and its cover display are protected by a thick plastic film. To remove the Galaxy Z Flip 6 out of the box, please make sure you use this plastic tab at the bottom. As you can see, the tab is part of the plastic film protecting the foldable display. So here is everything you will find inside the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 box. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please share this video and our article with those who are interested in the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. And please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.